हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल एड्यूशा। जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि आज वेस्ट बंगाल सिविल सर्विस 2024 का प्रीली एग्जामिनेशन हो चुका है और उसका एक सेट जो है ए उसका आंसर की हम लोग यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे। क्वेश्चन के साथ यहाँ पे आंसर मैं बताऊंगा, यहाँ पे सिर्फ आंसर मैं बताऊंगा, उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं दूंगा ताकि वीडियो काफ़ी शॉर्ट में हो जाए। ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन आपका जो भी सेट है ए बी सी डी, यहाँ पे आप लोग क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से अपना आंसर चेक कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले देखिए क्वेश्चन, पहला नंबर क्वेश्चन है मेमोरेबिलिया रिफर्स टू, इसका आंसर होगा डी, मेमोरीज ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स कलेक्टेड बिकॉज ऑफ देयर लिंक्स विद पीपल और इवेंट्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर टू, देयर इज अ बुक शॉप क्लोज, इसका आंसर बाई होगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर थ्री, इसका ऑप्शन बी आंसर होगा, ही बिट ऑफ मोर देन ही कुड च्यू, इसका आंसर बी में है, ही टुक अप मोर वर्क देन ही कुड हैंडल। क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर, ऑल द मेंबर्स आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू डैश, यहाँ पे कंफर्म होगा। ठीक है, कंफर्म टू द रूल्स ऑफ द एसोसिएशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर फाइव, गिव वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ द अंडरलाइंड वर्ड, यहाँ पे प्रीपोस्चरस का आंसर होगा डी, अनबिलीवेबल और अनरीजनेबल। क्वेश्चन नंबर सिक्स, पोलाइटनेस कॉस्ट लिटिल बट यील्ड्स मच, इसका आंसर बी होगा, पोलाइटनेस इज अ वर्च्यू दैट प्लेज इन लॉन्ग रन। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेवन, आई वॉन्ट टू गो टू द पार्क डैश, यहाँ पे ऑल्दो होगा, ऑल्दो द वेदर इज बैड। क्वेश्चन नंबर एट, यहाँ पे पैसिव बताना है इसका। ठीक है, नेपोलियन मेड द इम्पॉसिबल पॉसिबल, इसका ऑप्शन बी होगा, द इम्पॉसिबल वॉज मेड पॉसिबल बाय नेपोलियन। क्वेश्चन नंबर नाइन, अंडरटेकर इज वन हु, ऑप्शन डी, मेक्स अरेंजमेंट्स फॉर फ्यूनरल्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर टेन, ही लव्ड वेयरिंग आउट लैंडिश क्लॉथ्स, इसका होगा वियर्ड और ऑफ बीट। ठीक है, वायर्ड लिखा हुआ है बट ये वियर्ड होगा। उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, हर बुक इज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट टू हर टीचर, ऑप्शन सी। क्यूरोसिटी किल्ड द कैट, ठीक है, इसका नियरेस्ट मीनिंग बताना है, इसका ऑप्शन सी होगा, इफ पीपल आर क्यूरियस बियॉन्ड अ पॉइंट दे मे इनवाइट ट्रबल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, आई डैश स्विम, आई कैन स्विम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 में देखिए, यहाँ पे डैश यू बी मोर केयरफुल इन द फ्यूचर, कुड। द फ्रेज राउंड द कॉर्नर, इसका होगा नियर। दे आर गोइंग ऑन अ वेकेशन दो दे हैवेंट डिसाइडेड द डेस्टिनेशन। चिल्ड्रन शुड नॉट फॉरगेट देयर filial duty towards parents. Collection of poems or other literary work is known as anthology. इसका आपको बताना है, द अर्ली बर्ड कैचेस द वर्म, इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा डी, द पर्सन हु टेक्स द अर्लीस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू डू सो समथिंग विल गेन एडवांटेज ओवर अदर्स। 20 का द गेम इज अफुट, इसका होगा न्यू केस और इन्वेस्टिगेशन। द कैंडिडेट इज सिटिंग लेट इनटू द नाइट to prepare for examination, burn the midnight oil. I will call you later once I am done with my course. Affliction का होगा a state of pain, distress और grief. Humongous word का बताना है आपको, तो यहाँ पे extremely large and huge होगा। Underplay word का alternative क्या होगा, D, represent something as being less important than it really is. क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, द टू महात्माज किसने कहा था, ठीक है, इरविन और गांधी को, सरोजनी नायडू। फर्स्ट एडिशन ऑफ क्लब वर्ल्ड कप 2025 चेल्सी, यहाँ ऑड वन आउट बताना है, 36 इज ऑड वन। जॉइंट फॉरेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, इसका होगा बी, लोकल कम्युनिटीज एंड द फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट। उसके बाद 2026-27 सेंसस ऑफ इंडिया रिप्रेजेंट अ सिग्निफिकेंट माइलस्टोन एज इट इज द कंट्रीज फर्स्ट डिजिटल पेपरलेस सेंसस यूजिंग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डेटा कलेक्शन मेथड्स। ठीक है, ईयर 2026 को क्या डिक्लेयर किया गया है बाय यूएन, इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ वुमेन फार्मर्स। Finland has started a permanent deep geological repository for spent nuclear fuel where it is situated, option A। ठीक है, Which of the following cities is located closest to the Tropic of Cancer, कृष्णानगर होगा इसका। इजराइल का मिसाइल डिफेंस सिस्टम का पार्ट नहीं है, ऑप्शन डी, टोमाहॉक। ए फोटोन ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी 50 हर्ट्ज possesses dash joule energy, इसका होगा 50 H. Apples is written as BORJHP, then banana is written as option A, इसका होगा ऑप्शन बी, इसका होगा ऑप्शन बी. गोल्डन क्वाड्रिलेटरल क्या है? नेशनल हाईवे डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट. Which organization launched the Never Alone AI? AIMS, New Delhi. In which country did Subhash Chandra Bose establish the Azad Hind Radio? Option C, Germany. Who among the following presided over the first Buddhist council? Mahakasappa. If Poonam, while selling two goats at the same price, makes a profit of 10% on one goat and suffers a loss of 10% on other, she suffers a loss of 1%. इसका आंसर होगा मोहन सिंह. What is the efficiency of currently available commercial solar cells? 15 to 20%. Who was first selected by Gandhiji for individual Satyagraha movement? Vinoba Bhave. Which currency is known as vehicle currency? None of these. ठीक है, ये होगा US dollar. Which of the following animal is natural reservoir of Nipah virus? Bats. Ginger is a stem because it has nodes and internodes. Which tribal leader was regarded as an incarnation of God? धरती आबा. ये होगा बिरसा मुंडा. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 2. इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा 80%. वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंटरिम गवर्नमेंट formed in 1946 was Jawaharlal Nehru. The script of Santhal language is Olchiki. The difference between GDP and NDP is depreciation. Jarwas live in Andaman. Select the word which is different from the rest. इसका होगा bicycle. Insurance is related to loss of wealth. General insurance. इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा 24 मीटर पर सेकेंड. Question number 60. Which of the below mentioned Indo-Greek rulers issued coins bearing the figures of Krishna and Balarama? Agathocles. The Anarchical and Revolutionary Crimes Act was popularly known as Rowlatt Act. Which of the following is not a problem of the unorganized sector? High taxation. Who among the following presented the famous Kohinoor diamond to Emperor Shah Jahan? Mir Jumla. Toto, a primitive tribal group, is found in Alipurduar district. Which ruler ordered the construction of the royal road for East Bengal to Peshawar, also known as Sadke-e-Azam? Yoga Sher Shah. Agar Agar is derived from Algi. The leader of Kherwar or Safa Hor movement was Bhagirath Manji. इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा 1 किलोमीटर वेस्ट. इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा रशिया एंड चाइना. Sex ratio in a population is defined as the number of females per 1000 males. On a per hectare basis, which of the following forest will hold maximum amount of carbon? Mangrove forest as found in Sundarbans. इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा 0. Which of the following cities was not founded by Firoz Tughlaq? Fatehpur. How does a non-green colored leaf synthesize food? इसका ऑप्शन बी होगा. The leaf contains green chlorophyll but it remains hidden under other pigments. Who among the following Urdu poets was invited to the school and third round table conferences? Muhammad Iqbal. Which part of the Constitution of India deals with the Union Executive? Part 5. Which of the following is matched incorrectly? Finance Commission, Article 324. ये गलत है. The Chamber of Princes Narendra Mandal was established in which year? 1920. A persistent fall in the general price level of goods and services is known as deflation. Why antibiotics are not prescribed to kill viral infections? Because B. Viruses neither have cell walls nor their own metabolic machinery that can be targeted by antibiotics. East Kolkata wetlands has been declared as Ramsar site. Nematophores are modified roots and negatively geotrophic. These are respiratory roots. Mass of atom is determined by proton plus neutron. The most abundant enzyme in the living world is Rubisco. Public interest litigation is primarily associated with which concept? Judicial activism. Who was sent by the INC to represent its views at the Versailles Conference in 1919? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Which American province has officially declared Diwali as a state holiday? California. In an enclosure there are crows as well as cows. If there are 30 heads and 100 legs, what is the ratio of the cows to crows? 2:1. The leader of the Riyang uprising in Tripura was Ratan Mani. इसका आंसर होगा सेलर. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है डी 1 and 3. Who abolished the pilgrimage tax? अकबर. इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ए 16 मीटर पर सेकेंड. Which three African countries have withdrew themselves from the International Criminal Court? Option A, Burkina Faso, Mali and Niger. The two Vaishnava brothers Roop and Sanatan who held high posts in court of Alauddin Hussain Shah, during whose reign Malik Muhammad Jaisi completed poem Padmavat Sher Shah. Which of the following social and political leaders opposed the age of consent bill? Tilak. Which of the following letters should replace the question mark in the series P? The tax imposed on import and export of commodity is known as customs duties. Who among the following Gupta rulers is credited with defeating the Hunas? Skandagupta. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Kandla, Maharashtra. Which of the following elements is a semiconductor? Silicon. Who was the first Indian ruler to join the subsidiary alliance? The Nizam of Hyderabad. Who opposed the burning of foreign clothes during NCM? Rabindranath Tagore. इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा 115. Which particular bonding exists in H2O and HF but does not exist in H2S? Hydrogen bonding. इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा 30. शांति एक्ट 2025 ये क्या है? ऑप्शन बी, सस्टेनेबल हार्नेसिंग एंड एडवांसमेंट ऑफ न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी फॉर ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग इंडिया. शांति एक्ट 2025. The length of a rectangle is decreased by 20% while the breadth is increased by 20%, then the area of the rectangle will decrease by 4%. In West Bengal, silk industry is famous in Murshidabad. Synapsis occurs during zygotine. Homage was paid to Thiruvalluvar. Who was he? Why is he famous for? Option A. Thiruvalluvar was celebrated Tamil poet and philosopher. He wrote Tirukkural, a classical Tamil text of 1330 short couplets, kurals. Which article deals with the persons voluntarily acquiring foreign citizenship? Article 9. Which one of the following is included in secondary sector from the standpoint of sources of national income? Construction. How many members should at least be there in a club so that it guaranteed that at least 2 members have the same month of birth? 13. Wind energy project was set up in West Bengal at Fraserganj. Krishna Raja Sagar Dam and Mittur Dam are built across the river Kaveri. इसका आंसर होगा x = 6, y = 8. Which of the following elements available adequately in India can be used to produce the nuclear power? Thorium. Formula of the chloride of an element M is MCl4 and its molecular weight is 154. The molecular weight of its oxide is 44. Option C. Who drafted the Congress Inquiry Committee report on the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Mahatma Gandhi. Who among the following paid his soldiers in cash? Alauddin. Who founded Himalayan Institute of Alternatives HIAL? Why is it famous for? इसका ऑप्शन बी होगा. Sonam Wangchuk and Gitanjali J. Angmo. HIAL desires to address the educational and developmental challenges unique to Ladakh's exceptional geographical and cultural context. Boundary between the Greater and Lesser Himalaya is known as MCT, Main Central Thrust. The film Ek Ruka Hua Faisla 1986, directed by Shri Basu Chatterjee, was adapted from a 1957 American film 12 Angry Men. Recently, it was adopted as a play in Bengali language. Which group has adopted it and what is the name of the play? Option A. Nandikar Ek Theke Boro. The leader of the Eka movement was Madari Pasi. India has officially set its net zero carbon emission target for the year 2070. If 14 gram of N2 has n number of molecules, how many molecule are present in 46 gram of NO2? 2N होगा इसका आंसर. Which of the following is not the anti-inflationary measure in India? Increase in money supply. While a car is moving on a straight road, a GPS map is showing north in the bottom right hand corner. In which direction will it be traveling after it turns 90 degree to left? West. ब्रिक्स का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? ऑप्शन सी ब्राजील, रशिया, इंडिया, चाइना एंड साउथ अफ्रीका. 2 कार्स इसका आंसर होगा ए. Kartiki Gonzalez and Gunit Monga won Oscar in 2023 for Best Documentary Short Subject. डॉक्यूमेंट्री का नाम क्या था? The Elephant Whisperers. What is the which of the following carries oxygenated blood? Pulmonary veins. Dehradun is the capital city of Uttarakhand. What does Doon, also spelled as Doon, signify here? A valley between Lesser Himalaya and Shivalik. Who was the Governor General of Bengal when the Asiatic Society was founded? Warren Hastings. Which article of the Indian Constitution abolishes untouchability? Article 17. Which has become the first country to recognize the Taliban government in Afghanistan? Russia. Name the town that is located on the bank of Karula River? Jalpaiguri. Which period in India is known as Plan Holiday 1966 to 69? India has recently launched nationwide campaign for free HPV vaccination. The goal of this vaccination is to combat cervical cancer in women. Which one among the following is not sunrise sector in India? Textile. Select the shape which is different from the rest. Circle. The name Operation Polo was associated with Hyderabad. Which amendment made written advice of cabinet mandatory for emergency declaration? 44th amendment. The Indian Sangeeta Samaj was founded by Jyotiranath Tagore. What is the study and analysis of coins known as numismatics? Which of the following is not a UNESCO World Heritage Site? Option D, Gateway of India. 149 का करेक्ट आंसर होगा बी, 500 मीटर. 150 का करेक्ट आंसर है सी, ओनली 3. 151 हु प्लेड द रोल ऑफ अ मीडिएटर लीडिंग टू द साइनिंग ऑफ गांधी-इरविन पैक्ट? तेज बहादुर सप्रू. अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स आर सेपरेटेड बाय 10 डिग्री चैनल. रेतवारी सेटलमेंट इन मद्रास वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय थॉमस मुनरो. इसका होगा बैग. Jaldapada National Park is located in Alipurduar district. Which of the following mountain peaks does not belong to Himalayan range? K2. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ए, EV चिन्नैया वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश. इसमें से कौन नाबार्ड का मेन फंक्शन नहीं है? ऑप्शन डी, एपेक्स फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल क्रेडिट, ये इसका आंसर होगा. Real gas behaves like an ideal gas at low pressure and high temperature. Babar's famous autobiography Babarnama was translated in Persian by Abdul Rahim Khani Khanan. How many hymns are there in Rig Veda? 1028. Which Buddhist text provides an account of the 16 Mahajanapadas of the 6th century BC? Anguttara Nikaya. Growth inhibiting hormone of a plant is abscisic acid. कर्मयोगिन was का एडिटर कौन थे? Aurobindo Ghosh. Who among the following persons wrote a biography of Mahatma Gandhi? Louis Fischer. इसका होगा both 1 and 2. The leader of Khaksar movement was Inayatullah Khan Mashriqi. Congress Democratic Party was founded by BG Tilak. Mixed economy का मतलब होता है there is coexistence of public and private sector. The Indian revolutionary leader associated with the Battle of Buri Balam in 1950 was J.N. Mukherjee. Which incident prompted the appointment of the Hunter Committee? Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Water available for plants within the soil is capillary water. Indian topographical map is published by Survey of India. Who became the Congress president after the resignation of Subhash Chandra Bose? Rajendra Prasad. इसका आंसर होगा बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद, पैरेलल गवर्नमेंट का ऑल ऑफ द अबव। Among the following indices, which one is not used for the construction of HDI, price index? इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा सी, some Vitex brand cars with radial tires are parked here. Which element, although situated outside the radioactive series, had radioactive isotope? तीनों ही all of the above. इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ए। 181 का होगा सी, इंडिया हैज अ क्वासी फेडरल सिस्टम विद अ स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंटर। द नोट्स ऑन इन्फेंट मैरिज एंड इन्फोर्स्ड विडोहुड वाज रिटन बाय बहराम जी मालावारी। 183 का करेक्ट आंसर है सी, फंडामेंटल राइट कन्फर्म्ड बाय द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया। इसका करेक्ट होगा डी। 185 का होगा ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ पेनिनसुलर इंडिया। गांधी वर्सेस लेनिन was written by A.C. Dange. Which one of the following animals is not depicted on the Harappan seal? Horse. Which of the following is not located in West Bengal Manas Biosphere Reserve? Which FR cannot be suspended during national emergency under Article 359, 20 and 21? Which of the following Indian states does not share the boundary with West Bengal? Chhattisgarh. Resistance of a uniform metal wire of length 1 meter and cross-sectional area 1 centimeter square is 10 ohms. Resistivity of the wire is 1 by 10 ohm centimeter. 192 का ऑप्शन सी होगा। 193 ऑप्शन बी। 194 का लीडर ऑफ ताना भगत मूवमेंट यात्रा ओरांव। 195 which of the following apes are genetically closest to the modern humans Homo sapiens? Chimpanzee and bonobo. 196 का ए होगा। 197 का सी होगा। 198 dependency ratio of a country is ratio of non-working age population to working age population. क्वेश्चन नंबर 199 इसका करेक्ट आंसर डी 6 होगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 200 जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन है इसका करेक्ट आंसर डी होगा, ऑल पर्सन्स विथ हाई एजुकेशन हैज़ गुड अर्निंग्स। तो फ्रेंड्स ये था आंसर की। आई होप कि आप लोगों का एग्ज़ाम अच्छा गया होगा। तो इस वीडियो को एंड करते हैं और कट ऑफ और पेपर का एनालिसिस का वीडियो बाद में अपलोड होगा। अगर आपने इस चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इसको सब्सक्राइब कर ले। थैंक यू।